I am honestly stupid.
Right, go ahead.
That wasn't as good. You want me to do it again?
Put it on YouTube.
We did do it again?
Oh.
Yeah.
That one wasn't good. Finley, if you go
I'm not doing it.
Finley, if you go to a vlog, this is much worse.
Worse.
That's not wordless, eh? Worse, not worse. Okay.
Quick, quick, hurry up.
This time.
Hey, that was good.
Finley, you should actually do it.
No.
Shona, sure he should do it.